Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in isometric. We have front view and top view. Now if you see, origin right side is length, which is 60, height is 30, 20, 20, and width is 60. So first we'll start with this. Now if you see in front view, there are two parts, 1 and 2. See this. And in top view there are many parts. So I'll start with front view. And in that also I'll start with part 2, which is nearer to observer. So we'll start with this triangle. I will take midpoint. And then I will join. Then I will take this behind by 60. Always remember, whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. So we are done with this triangle. Then if you see, this part is there. So I'll take height 30. And I will draw a line. So we are done with part 2. Now we need to draw a circle in that. So I will take midpoint. Before that, we'll extend this part, which is 30. Now I'll take midpoint. Then I'll draw a vertical line. Then from here I will take 15, 15. And from center I'll go up by 15, down by 15. So by this way we will get rhombus. So now we'll draw a circle by 4 center method. We'll draw longest diagonal, then from point 1 we'll join to the opposite midpoint. See, this is 1, this is 2, M. Generally we write 1, 2, 3, 4, but in this I have written only 1 and 2. So 1 to M and you can draw arc. Same way you take 2 to M and you draw arc. So we are done with part 2, and this is going inside. If you see this dotted line, so we need to draw this line. It shows depth. We'll draw the same, this plot. See, this is 30. So the other part is also same. First we'll take height. I'll take midpoint over here. So it will start from that point. What I will do, I will take height. See, I will take height and I will take it behind. How much behind? You have to go behind by 30 and then we need to start. Or from behind you take same. So we'll get this distance. We'll draw a vertical line, and from here, draw a line like this. Then you draw from here, again you draw a line from here. So we'll get that part. And now we will join this. After this, I will join this line. See, now we need to draw that slope. So for that, what we will do, we will take height 20. We'll extend. And from here, I will take this behind. See this. So we got this slot. But if you see, this is 15, 15 from both the sides. So what I will do, I will take 15 from here and 15 from here. Same way on this line also, I will take 15, 15. And then I will join. See this. Now to get the other side of the slot, we will rely on that line, the one which we have done earlier. See, I'll extend from here and I will stop where it will intersect with that line. And then we can draw a triangle. So we are done with this. So I hope everyone understood this. Thank you.